Austin, what are we doing to this Skyline?
Dude, a lot of things. We're doing the rear subframe bushings, all boots for the axles all the way around, valve cover gaskets, lower control arm bushings, high kiss delete, and that's just the start.
We already got the whole rear end pulled, yeah? God damn. We're about to pressure wash this whole rear end so it looks all brand new.
Sound effects. Oh yeah.
How can you tell that it's working?
See how it's foaming? This is engine cleaner foaming. So you can tell it's working by how it's foaming. You know what I mean?
You know those things that are like super toxic, but they look like they would taste really good? I feel like that's one of those things.
You definitely don't want to eat this.
I know, but like
I tried, but...
insulation, you know, like the insulation for homes?
Oh yeah, dude.
We'll wait for that to be done. The 1.6
was put back into Miata.
We've got the R33 that you guys have seen a lot of. It has the RB26 back in it. This is a modern day Cinderella right here.
I am cleaning the subframe on the Skyline.
Awesome. The pressure washer's crying for help, please.
All right, so we're getting the RB all situated. It's actually back in the car. Throttle body's on, throttle body's rebuilt, everything timed. Got the turbo mocked up. Don't know if that's gonna end up coming out or not again. We're getting pretty close. Got the main chassis harness ran. We're getting ready to drop in the new custom harness built by Wiring Specialties. Who knows, dude? Within the next month or so, we could be ready for first fire. Dropping the screw is really expensive. And they're from Japan. Everyone, welcome B. And then I want like Vegas light intros with like thunderbolts and you'll burn.
Nice little Fortnite montage, huh, B?
I drew out the wires though.
Because I just wanted to see how they went.
You're just trying to figure out where they went?
Yeah.
But you're gonna unplug them all?
Yes.
And then you're gonna route them the right way?
Yes.
Okay.
Who's calling me, bro? Austin, no fun car.
Let's check that out, B.
My finger's gonna be gone in like 5
It's
minutes.
fine. Who needs fingers anyway?
The overrated is fucking my opinion.
I thought we were talking about AC. AC is not overrated.
That's why you should come and get your AC recharged.
Jesus.
Dude, I'm the best advertisement man ever.
How nice that looks in there. We got the ITB gaskets out here. We're spraying them with what, Matt?
The Permatex copper gasket spray. It's metal gaskets that have like crush rings on them. Can actually start to leak after they break in for a little while. So just going it, hitting it with the extra mile.
Good glove, Matt.
It's the next morning, but first we need to go get coffee.
We got the drinks and the food. Now it's time to head back.
Didn't see you there. Welcome to Turnstile JDM in Europe. It's Thursday. With Matt.
Oh yeah, Matt, get on in there.
That's right.
Go see what Ethan's up to over there. You excited for the Miata to start, Ethan?
You know it, dude. We're gonna go drive it around. We're gonna start this.
Reminisce of old times.
You don't got
Air oil in it?
I'm gonna do that too. That's why I asked you for it. I haven't even got to that yet, dude. I gotta raise
I thought
it.
you were about to fire it up, dude.
I'm not gonna fire it up, dude. Just Matt, give me my time, bro. Dude, I'll tell you when I'm gonna fire
You were
it
an
up.
hour out. Found to fire that thing up last night.
I just started. I did, dude.
Ethan, can you just start extracting already?
No.
I can't hear you.
No. Damn, bro, this thing's fucking hard. I don't want to like spill it, dude. That's one. Takes two. Aw, this is amazing, dude. This is so much easier than before. There's no more pump left. is so much easier, dude. So much easier. Last time we had like the O'Reilly special pump, dude. You had to like get a straw from McDonald's, start pumping. Sometimes that straw would break, so you'd have to go to Burger King and get a different one. This works great, dude.
What's going on over here, Matt?
I'm currently going through every belt we have here to figure out the new lengths for the ATI Super Damper. Because of the different size on the harmonic balancer, all the belt sizes are now thrown off and out the window.
So you just have to figure out what the new sizes are?
Yeah, I have no idea off the top of my head, so I'm gonna end up having to measure these all by hand and pick out some new belts.
All that good fluid in there, Ethan?
Yes, sir.
What's next?
Coolant, and I want to double check a few things, make sure all the wires are connected, but it should be good to start after that.
We've got Matt over here trying to figure out how they're routed in Kia.
RB26 is a shit ton of coolant lines for the twin turbo setup, so we have to reroute and delete a bunch of stuff.
Because we went to the big single instead of the twins.
Yes, sir. You ready to start it, Sam?
Everything looks good. I think she's ready to rip.